Hey everybody, welcome back to some of y'all probably like. Today I will be making a homemade version of Arby's Bacon Ranch Cheesesteak. Now I actually made the original one recently. Arby's, don't even try it. And I got some bacon now, so now I'm gonna make the other version. So I have my hoagie bread right here. You can use any kind. I have this toasted up. I made the bacon. That's applewood bacon, but you can use any type of bacon you want. And the fat from the bacon, I use it to grill this up, the bun up. We're gonna need some more mozzarella cheese. I have a shredded kind. This is actually leftover cheesesteak I had for the classic one. Now it's not as much as I would like. However, it'll do. We're making a sauce. I'm using a little bit of mayo. Make sure it's not Miracle-Whip, the real one. And also, I'm going to be using plain Greek yogurt, not vanilla, plain. I have creamy dill. I wonder if this is the same as ranch. But it is what it is. I'm going to use it anyways. Also, cut up a little bit of the green onion, the white part and the green part. So yeah, that's probably how we're going to get started. I'm going to make the sauce real quick. Now, I have the Greek plain yogurt. Now, I'm going to use it to mix up everything. So yeah, it's a little too much. Now, I'm not going to use all this yogurt. So I'm going to take probably like a tablespoon and a half off. Let's put that to the side. You don't gotta throw it away. Alright, that should be about half of this cup. Sorry, so now I'm gonna use one tablespoon of mayo and put that aside. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. I'm gonna mix it more. Now I'm gonna add in my packing, not this whole packet, y'all. Unless you want your food to be so salty, like the ocean water, like you at the beach. Half a teaspoon. Alright, I'm just going to take this and mix it. I ain't tasting it, but I think I'm going to add this a little bit more, like 1 tablespoon. And I'm just going to taste it. That's good. Just like sour cream, like ranch sour cream. This is good. That's why I always say get that Greek yogurt. You just amp it up a little bit. It's just like sour cream. Yes, and it's healthier. Alright, we're going to put that to the side. Okay, so I have my bread right now. I'm just going to put it on spread I just made. I know it's like a lot, but if you want lesser, you can't put lesser. I'm going to put my bacon on one side. And now I'm going to take my steak. I warmed it up. You don't just want to warm it up like that. You want to put just a little bit of water so it won't be all dried out. It can still retain its moisture. And that's what I pretty much did. Add some more cheese and then melted. Whew. Yes. This is so good, y'all. Bon appetit. And I ain't even start yet. And all the water don't dry out. Like once you put it in the microwave, the water gets incorporated when you heat it up. So yeah, you only got to pour the water out. Yes, y'all. Oh my goodness. It smells and it looks so good. Whew, I got a little bit more bacon, but I'm trying to put it in there because I don't want to overdo it. And I always seriously do. Alright, I'm going to get into it. Yes, I almost forgot to put the green in. It already looks so good. So why this looks so good. I already made the other one. If you see, you see. If you didn't, you just missed out. And I was gonna make this one because I didn't have bacon, but I was going to the grocery store the next day, and I said I gotta get some bacon and make this for the people, probably for myself, but for y'all too. So that's what I did. I'm ready. Trying to get the bacon and all of it. Just talking to God about how He blessed me with these skills in the kitchen. This is so good. The other ones with the garlic aioli, they both hit the spot. They both are delicious. Taste the ranch. You taste the goodness, the tenderness of the steak, but you also taste the crunchiness of the bacon and also the bread. So just a little toasted. Oh, which one the best? Oh, from the other one and this one? They both is. They both are 10. Please try it. I'm telling you. I'm asking you. I'm pleading with you. Try it. It's so delicious and good.